Phoenixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make this very beautiful yet very easy waterfall without any special ingredients. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go. So first of all, I'll take these thermocol pieces over here and then this brown cardboard for the base. Now what I'll do is that I'll take my hot glue gun and I'll start sticking all of these pieces one by one. So I'll just place them all over the cardboard. And once it's done, as you can see over here, I've taken my soldering iron and I'll start making some textures over here on the thermocol because the waterfall is mostly like rocky and that kind of texture. So I'm going for that over here. So for this I'm using my soldering iron. Make sure you use adult supervision for this because it might get a little hot. So be careful and do this. It's really easy. It's not something very scary also. And guys, if you don't have a soldering iron, you can use a blade and carve out the edges as well, but it will take a little time and this step is little less time consuming, so that's why I'm doing this over here. Once it's done and it's nicely dry, I'll start painting this. So first of all, I'll not paint it completely. I'll just give a highlight of little greyish rocks over here. So guys, once light grey is completed, I'll take the dark grey color over here and I'll put some highlights. So guys, I'm using acrylic paints over here. You can also use fabric paints instead, like I say in all of my videos. And over here, I'll just use some green color for the bushes. Now I'll use some yellow paint as well and give some highlights. So basically you have to shade it and give the real effect of the waterfall over here. And this is a very beautiful and easy decor for your home. Now you can start painting the cardboard base with blue color for the water effect. I'll also use my acrylic paint for the highlights as well, different shades. Now I'll start with the darker shade over here, some here as well. Now I'll put some white paints and highlight it. Because it's water, so it has some reflections too. Okay, so now let's beat the water, and so for that I'm using my hot glue gun and I'll just pour the glue all over here and let it go down just so it will show you and give you the effect of water dropping down. So guys, this is a very easy step you can follow and make realistic water. Once the glue gets dried, it will look clear. So now as you can see, this is how the water looks right now. Now I'll just put some slightly blue color on the water, means on the hot glue gun, and just merge out. Once that is done, I'll put some white paint too, and guys, tada! This is my final look of my miniature waterfall at home with only thermocol and some paints. And guys, this is very easy and very less time consuming. You can make it on your home and it's very creative. So guys, make sure you like this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.